In case you did not read the description, this is a hunting channel. Animals were harmed in the making of this film. If you are not into hunting, please do not watch any further. Ladies and gentlemen, so I'm here with my friend Gerard today. He's just bagged his first ground squirrel, South African ground squirrel. And yeah, we're having an awesome time out here.
Over the top, so just aim as fraction low. Reload. Aim a ground squirrel low. Oh, nice shot!
Is this your first ground squirrel?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. Look at that. So it went in there and out there.
So that could be, that was right through all the vitals.
Yeah, that's why I said you don't need to do a backup shot.
I don't like animals to suffer.
Awesome, man. Let's go see what else we can get.
Oh, nice shot! Yeah, it's a long shot, so he's dying, he's dead, he's gone.
Sure?
Yeah,
I can jump around like that.
That is an adult female.
She's not pregnant, she's just full.
See, your second shot, you shot it through there, eh?
Yeah. More for the pie.
I think it's probably on at this distance, eh? Oh, nice shot! Remember to aim low. Alright. It's this tree there.
Looking for the little black thing.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you won't see the little black
I
thing.
can see the little black thing.
Yeah, it's that one, yeah. Yeah, it's that tree.
I can see the little black thing clearly.
I can see clearly now.
So that is what it sounds like, and that is what it looks like.
First for my bullets. So which one are we going to go? That one or that one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which way did my llama go? Don't ever say shit like that. I'm going to go with this one.
Okay, so you're using a Barnes X through 260 grain head, and that is 67 grains of powder.
Okay, my friend. Also known as the 375 olifant halgeweer.
So not, there we are. It's live. For those who can block their ears, I suggest you do.
I don't see the little black thing, but I think it's this tree here, right?
Yeah, I'll make sure you're pointing at the right tree. Yes, you're pointing at the right tree.
Let's just take that. It's not going to help us much with what we're doing now.
Just be ready for the kick.
Okay.
Hold it nice and tight. Didn't hit the tree. He didn't hit the tree solidly.
No, I put it on the side.
You want to take another shot?
Definitely. Oh.
Richie thinks I'm funny.
Okay, now what you're sticking in is known as a peregrine. It's 240 grains. It's a it's a South African round. Just clip it in like that. It feeds nicely. It's a South African round, so South African homemade head. Just give it a shove. Just give it a shove. It'll go.
Okay. Jere, maar hierdie ou man fucking skaap, né? Okay. I think I had a little fart when that dropped that hammer now.
Don't be scared of the rifle. She's your friend.
Okay. Now I'm going to go for the other side of the box. Was that a miss?
That was a miss.
So that is 375 power. If you have a look over there, look how it's smashed out the back here. Yeah, you can have a smoke break quickly. That's 2 rounds of the 375. I think the third round would have brought the tree down. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we have been out today. We have just had a little bit of a nice time here with Gerard, and Gerard came out here to come and have a few shots with a few things. He also had a few shots with the 375. We won't mention how that went. But yeah, Gerard, what did you think about the hunt?
I loved every minute of it. I'm sure these guys are going to beg to differ.
So yeah, we got to go out this morning. We got to do a little bit of hunting, and we got 2 beautiful birds. We got, the one is known as a speckled pigeon, and the other one is known as a Swainson Franklin. It's very much like a type of pheasant. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to give you a quick recipe on how to cook these guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'd almost take it over steak. Let's put it that way. It is a really nice recipe. The ground squirrel that we shot, I'm not too keen on eating. I have eaten them before, but yeah, I'd rather eat the birds than the ground squirrel. So I gave the ground squirrel to our staff. They'll eat them, but I hope you guys enjoy. Look at that. See that meat? There's the second breast off. Now for the legs. Smells glorious. I wish you could have a smell at this, what it smells like. There's a nice drumstick and thigh. Now for the other side. And voila. So people say, oh, why don't you eat the rest of the bird? Well, to be dead honest with you, that is 95% of the meat has already been removed just by removing those 4 sections. And why cook that whole bird when all you need to cook are these 4 sections and getting 90% of the meat? Anybody who doesn't cook dove this way is either making pigeon pie or they're being stupid. There's your first breast. You can see the difference in color of meat between the pigeon and the Franklin. Have a look at that. Very stark contrast. Red meat, white meat. While that is heating up, what we're going to do is we're going to just chop this up into little strips or slices, let's put it that way. Get rid of any feathers you can before you do that, though. Nice and thin. Light meat versus dark. Just going to plop these on. The secret with cooking meat like this is you want the pan to be hot enough to cook steak. So if you can't cook steak on it, don't use it, especially for these birds. You want it to cook very quickly. This gives it it doesn't give it an opportunity to dry out. See, it's cooked all the way through. That's when you know it's ready to take off. So those are the spices you need to put on your meat. So 50% salt, 25% coriander, 25% white pepper. That is the mixture I use. Very, very efficient, especially on game bird. So that special mix is what I have in here. So this is my own special mix. It may be in a nutmeg, but it's definitely not nutmeg. What you want to do is you want to give yourself a decent amount of salt on it, and that will taste almost like biltong. This is good. Honestly, if you gave me a decent plate of game bird, nothing beats it.